Okay, Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy section 2. This follows the intro. In the left hand, we're still in this E position. We're going to do the bottom, starting with the bottom, and then we'll have some top, bottom, top, all the way through. For the top notes though, I'm going to give you those first. G with the third finger, A with the second finger, A sharp with the second finger, B with the thumb, C sharp with the thumb, and D sharp with the thumb. So it's G, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp. If you don't know the names of the notes, no big deal. Just put your hand in this position with the C here and just play your third, second, up to the next black note, white note, black note, black note. All right? All right, that's the left hand.